How's it going, everyone? I have a request that someone wanted me to make about Wheeler Real Estate, WHLR. When we're looking at this stock, obviously it does not meet my system for an A plus system. And what is that A plus system to buy? It's going to be at this bottom band here. This is where price, will get the biggest moves. As you can see, when price got a little bit near this bottom band, it's kind of the safest because price always revert back to the EMA 5, 10, and 20. I'm going to take this trend channel out so you guys can see this, a much clearer chart here. So the EMA 5 is the purple, the 10 is the yellow, and then the 20 is this dark blue. Price is conservatively going to go back to that, and we went way above that. And when I look at this price gain, if you're trying to get in now, I mean, this thing went up 1,100%. Massive move up. And now we kind of went down and we lost about a lot of that, and we closed right here. So we're still up 453% from the lows. So, if you didn't want it at 97 cents, you got to ask yourself, well, why do you want it at $5? Do you really believe in the long-term vision of this? We did have two reverse splits, literally right back to back here. We have a 1 for 24, 1 for 5. And this is what the chart has been looking like, for a while. It's been in a downtrend, downtrend, and downtrend, and downtrend. So when you look at that, this is not like something that I personally say you would invest in or you would want to do a long-term trade in it, because a lot of the times we see this. It goes up, like this spike right in here. We're kind of having something kind of similar. We go up, and then we come back down, and then we have this nice move up, but we're always selling off at the ATR4. It'd be much easier just to be a bear and playing and waiting till this area here, and then it spikes back down to the 5, 10, and 20, because all price has to do that. Now, does it have to do it right away? No. Price not touching the EMA 5 in 7 daily candles is long. Like, like right in here, as you can see, you see how it doesn't touch in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it touches in 6. So, price is going to be respected in that way. And then 1 month is long for the EMA 10. As you can see, we went down here and literally, and we get very close to it as the algos push it back down, and then we come back and touch all three in one candle. So we can look at the news and kind of see like what's going on. The real estate stocks aren't one of the worst. Then we got some positive why Oracle shares are trading higher. And you can read a lot about all this. But the technical patterns, in my honest opinion, when I was talking about this, the EMA 20 is your reversion to me. You can really expect buyers to be looking at this level. And as you can see, how convenient that we have the top of this channel here, or where the candle ended, we have very big, strong support here. They try to fake out. A lot of people probably had stop losses right below this body of this candle here, and they got stopped out because a lot of the market makers, they see that. Which the only way you should honestly get stopped out is if this body of this candle is closing below it. The wicks do the damage, but the bodies tell the story. Remember that. Wicks do damage. This is damage right here. This is the wicks. And then it goes up here and the body remains above that strong support line. This is the only area I would buy for an uptrend, as we are at the EMA 20. So we got that out of the way. So it was way up in here, and it had to go back down to the reversion mean. And that reversion mean, I want to see it go back down to the 20 if I ever was going to go long. So this is not really a bad play, in my honest opinion. Even though it had a big move up, it's not an A+ setup, as it's not going to get ever to this green band here, as it's a negative, and because as you can see, the bands go opposite directions. So you really can't play it based on that. But you can play it based on this strong, big move up, and to me, it kind of looks like a bull flag could easily form right here. As you can see right in here, you have your tops here, and then you're in this clear channel here. It is honestly as perfect as you can probably get here. So we're gonna bounce up and bounce it up in there. Hopefully, we can get out of this channel here. So and that's really what we have, is a nice, beautiful bull flag pattern here. I think this is actually a nice little setup here. Not really the like A+ setup, but like I said, if it doesn't work out, then you take a minor stop loss. Like right in here, if you were patient, you waited for that EMA 20, you would probably stop out, right under here, the previous low, which is this wick, is about a 16, I would say a 10% stop loss right here below this wick here, and probably at 356. Just to be a little case, unless they mark, because you know how the algos, they see your stop losses, they try to hit it, or just stop out if the body goes clearly under. Yeah, I think this thing can maybe get up here in the ATR4. We saw that last time here. We had this big pump up, it comes down, and then it has this random spike. But this is a much bullish pattern. This is, we are clearly at the EMA 20, big bull flag coming out, and I think this is due. So let's see from there, and then let's say this is the low here. We got a nice little fib you can use there. But like I said, the best thing I would use is EMA 20 support. See if it holds that, because that is your uptrend. If it does not hold that, then it's a downtrend. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to join the Discord, see my alerts, see my favorite setups, see my day trades that went over 95%, have turned red accounts into green, and made, lots of people successful, click the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do if you want to join is hit server shop in the top left, and I'll teach you guys how to trade like a pro using a system that is so easy to do, that is no bias. It's just what does the charts tell you, and then you go from there. Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and you get access to all my channels here. It's very clear. If you do subscribe on your computer, it's a flat rate. I recommend doing that. If you do it on your phone through the app, it'll charge you a little extra. If you have an Android, you will have to use your Google on your phone, the browser, or the computer. It works, as they're working on issues with Android. But yeah, it's really nice. You're going to get futures alerts if you guys are really wondering, how to do that. You're going to get day trading education, swing trading education. I even show you the journal of how we win consistently after consistently. This is the day trade. This is why I'm recommending joining the day trade membership for only $12 a month. One of these alerts alone will probably give you 5 years worth of this membership. 10 to 20% gains consistently, very few losses, and winning over 23, 25 trades in a row. As I've developing this system to do what you saw as a daily time frame. Imagine shorter time frames using options to maximize your potential with a low account. Anybody can make money, even if you only have $200, $500. This is definitely for you guys. So I hope you guys do decide to join. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. I also do live streams every time. I'll put the link in the YouTube description. If you want to hit the follow button, I'll go live when the market opens, looking for setups just like this for swing trades, and then mainly focusing on day trades. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.